morning, guys. Welcome to my vlog. This is my friend Bea with me. Today, we will be doing a photo shoot for her upcoming birthday. And yeah, I was on my off from work, so this is the right time to do it. So we just book a ride, a Grab rather, and we met in Gateway. Lunchtime, I believe. So, yon, chika lang muna sa kotse habang nagpe-prepare ng mga gagawin and some gossip. I plan on making a video about this pero nalimutan ko, so nasa Grab na nag-start. Supposedly dapat sa bahay, so get ready with me, but yeah. So anyway, so we arrived at our destination at 11:20 Otis, Paco, Manila. Here is where the studio is located at the fourth level. So we just went upstairs. Actually, the place is pretty good. Ang ganda ng interior niya. Ang daming mirrors. So, alam mo yun, kala mo buong place is a studio for photoshoot, pero hindi. Nakarating na kami sa level 4. This is the hallway going to the specific room sa Silid Studio. Ang aga namin, it's supposedly 2 p.m. pa. Pero ayun, welcome na kami agad. So, kumatok lang kami, pinapasok na kami. And tada! Silid Studio! Sehe! So, eto, konting sneak peek ng outfit ni Bea. Nag-start na kami actually na after gawin tong backdrop kaso hindi ko na-videohan yung process. So, enjoy na lang sa results. So that's the first set that we had, just a white curtain as a backdrop and then yung textured na plywood din as a backdrop as well. So this time around, may ibang props na ginamit. So we used the plants, this ladder, bamboo ladder, and etong Jaryo. Binili ko sa 7-Eleven bago kami magkita. So here is us just doing the random shots. Dito medyo confident na ako kasi nung una sa white na curtain, since it's my first time doing it in a studio, the lighting, yung mga flash, sobrang liwanag, overexposed ni Bea. Hindi ko na siya nakita sa pictures. So sobrang alam mo yun, naninibago ako, kinakabahan, parang challenge as well. Pero yun, nag-go lang and dire-diretso na nakuha ko na yung tamang timpla ng lighting. Si Bea naman, ayos naman siya mag-post kasi madalas na kami mag-photoshoot sa Polillo with Kuya Goldwyn. So wala nang problema masyado. So yon, enjoy the results. Here we go. So we moved here at the window. Ito konting lang, shots lang kasi hindi okay against the light siya. Though may flash naman. Pero yun, konting ano lang, picture yun na gustuhan ko dito sa part na to. So here are the sample shots. And we're done. Kain lang kasi mapagod. And puro ubo. Ito yung mga shots. Enjoy! So after our shoot, we went here at Mi Cafe. Malapit lang siya sa studio, konting lakad lang. So ito kami nagdodog showan. Hindi namin ma-figure out how to transfer photos from camera to cellphone. Kasi ang bagal ng net ng cafe. Anyway, so yep, kain lang kami. Umorder ng kape kahit inuubo na. Hindi na gumaling si aso mo. Anyway, so yep, thank you for staying with me. And this is me again, Alan. See you in the next video. Bye bye.